Good morning, Mike. Sean Cooper here from Vanderveer Chevrolet. I just wanted to give you this quick little video to highlight the 2014 Chevy Silverado. My name is Sean Cooper, and you can reach me on my cell at 330-224-3783. Mike, we're located off of exit 130-77 Vernon Odom Boulevard. I'd love to have the opportunity to meet with you in person. Again, Mike, my name is Sean Cooper, and I'm wishing you a great morning, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.